Nilipromise kudocument every move ninapiga. Sahi niko Frankfurt. I'm going to take my train that is leaving 1 o'clock, and I'm gonna be heading to Munich. Currently in Frankfurt. We're going to board a train that is going to Munich. I wish hiyo game ya nini ilikuwa leo ngware ya Union Berlin na
Platform 21, next time to previous floor via
I don't know if it was Platform 9 is where I'm supposed to take my train. I think I was going in a wrong platform. 6, 7, 8, 9. So my platform, my train is ice. My train is one of the fastest train hapa. Hiyo ndio naona watu wanashuka, alafu watu wanakimbia. Hizo stress sasa ndio tutakaji. My train is supposed to leave at 1 o'clock. So you see, this is the train that I'm gonna be taking. So I should rush. But I don't know who I'm going to ask. This is the train that I'm supposed to board. So let me rush so I can go inside before they close the doors. B9. Let me walk inside. It's better for me to walk inside because if they decide to go, I'm gonna be the one who's gonna be stressed. So I'm inside. We have 6 minutes inside one of the fastest train here in Germany. It's called Ice. Actually, it can get to a speed of 380 or 400 km/h. So this is first class, but I can pass by. No, it's a restaurant actually. Can I sit here? But if I sit here, I won't be able to sleep. I need somewhere that I will be able to sleep. You don't want to be in a place where I can't be able to sleep. I need to. But in case, because I have not reserved my seat and I see like all the seats are reserved, I will have to come back and sit. Don't worry, I'm feeling myself. I'm not filming anybody. Man. People are looking at me like, stop filming us. You cannot record us. Sorry. I've not reserved any seats, so I don't know what is going to happen inside the fall. This is called Ice. No, I'm not recording anybody. I'm recording myself. I'm sorry. And I'm gonna cut it off. Fala flani88.